Are you thinking about applying to multiple graduate programs, but worried about application fees adding up? At the University of Wisconsin-Madison, you can apply to up to 3 graduate degree programs within the same entry term, spring term, summer term, or fall term, for just one application fee. Here's how the 3-for-1 application fee works. You will pay the application fee for your first submitted program by its application deadline. The fee will automatically be waived for the next 2 applications submitted for the same entry term. For example, you can apply to up to 3 programs for fall 2025 for one application fee. Make sure to inform your recommenders to submit separate recommendations for each application. Requirements vary by program, so check the details specific to each program in the guide. Let's walk through an example. I've created 3 applications. All are for the fall 2025 entry term. By aligning the term, I can submit all 3 applications and pay just one fee. To do this, log into the graduate school application portal to create an application for each program you wish to apply to. For each application, fill in the program and term details and complete all of the required sections. Make sure to save progress as you work on each application. When you finalize and pay for your first application, the application fee for the next 2 will be waived automatically, as long as they are for the same term. Remember, once you hit OK, you will not be able to make any changes to your application, and the application fee is non-refundable. The application fee is $75 for U.S. domestic applicants and $81 for international applicants. You can log into your application portal to access your application status and pay the fee anytime. Remember, your application is not fully submitted until you pay the application fee. After completing the payment for your first program, wait at least 20 minutes before submitting your next application. This will allow the application system to catch up and waive the fee for your additional applications. And make sure to finalize and submit all of your applications by their respective deadline. Are you ready to apply? Scan the QR codes to explore UW-Madison's graduate degree program offerings and start your application. If you have technical questions, email admissions@grad.wisc.edu. For program-specific questions or help with application materials, contact coach@pdc.wisc.edu. Good luck with your applications.